Welcome back to one of our favorite places here in Alaska, Homer. But to be completely honest, we're not exactly staying here. And after heading out across Kachemak Bay with our favorite local water taxi ride, is it Makos or Makos?
Mako.
Okay, we've officially made it to our home for the weekend. We're off.
We're off.
And you can just rinse them off.
No.
When you come inside, you can see our adorable little studio cabin. We do have a toilet plus an extra outhouse outside and an outdoor shower. We've got our cozy bed, kitchen, and of course, incredible views no matter which window you choose to look out of. First order of business, well, real first order of business was having dinner. Second order of business is going for a beach walk because it's actually just about low tide right now.
I hope we find an octopus.
Fingers crossed.
Deborah really wants to find an octopus, so.
Hey Tyler.
Yeah?
What time is it right now?
7:20 p.m.
Pretty bright out.
And the sun is way up there. Let's see who can find the coolest things this trip.
This whole trip?
Yep.
Okay, deal.
On the beach.
Look at how many mussels and things.
Wow.
I found the coolest thing so far.
What is it?
A sand dollar.
Oh, that's cool. Cooler than me. I found a jellyfish. It's cooler than Deborah's sand dollar. Wow, this is like perfect. Please. Look at that.
We opened the blinds this morning and literally the first thing we saw was that the sandbar Christy told us about yesterday is out because the tide's really low. So we're gonna go check it out. Oh, so pretty.
It is. So we just got out here and there's so many sand dollars out here. It's crazy.
There's a dog.
You cannot have my sand dollar. Sorry. I know you want it. You can't have it. No. No.
That's crazy. So this is what they look like. And you can just rinse them off. Sand dollar. When else can you find just like sand dollars around?
That was really fun.
Never have I ever seen that many sand dollars before.
No, that was pretty cool.
Great way to start the morning here.
Yeah. So this is the shed where you can come and get your life preservers?
Which pole are you using?
This one. And you have to have a life preserver if you take out the rowboat or the kayaks. Here you go, make sure that one fits you.
It fits.
How do you know?
Rumor has it that you can catch halibut right off the shores of Between Beaches, so Tyler and I have decided to take out the rowboat this morning. What happens if we don't catch a fish?
I brought salmon. I was supposed to say we can't eat.
Wow, the water's so clear.
You never watched it.
Look at all the sand dollars.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's all sand dollars.
That's insane.
Do you think we'll catch a halibut?
I think so. You?
I hope so. What if we catch an octopus? What do you actually do?
I really take Google out. Oh, I
Shut
got
up.
something. Yeah. Got it?
No!
Oh, I had something too. It just cracked it. Took my bait.
Shut up, really?
Got it?
No.
No?
It's been nibbling. Something keeps nibbling.
Oh my god.
They took your bait again?
Yes. This is last Cisco.
Which is bait.
Which is bait, because we keep missing all of our fish.
They're not frustrating Tyler at all.
No. I can't believe we haven't caught one. Go.
Seriously?
Yep.
Reel in?
What?
Reel in?
It's a halibut.
Oh, get him in!
Or a flounder.
Woo!
Woo!
We're finally not skunked. It's a little guy, but he's cute.
Finally.
On our last bait. We're no longer skunked. Yay! Oh, you want a photo?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Toss them back.
Should we get her back?
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Wow, they're so fast. Oh my gosh. All right, we're calling it quits. We are officially all out of bait. Row us back, Tyler. Tyler and I ended up having lunch and then taking a little bit of a nap. We're not usually nap people, but it's just so peaceful here, and being able to just lay in bed and see the ocean views is just incredible. Now Tyler's decided to go kayaking. Do you choose a kayak you like?
Yeah, a green one.
I'll be here enjoying the sunshine. There comes Tyler.
On the property, they have a wood-fired sauna, so we're gonna go start it so we can go in and hopefully an hour or two. She said it does take a little bit to get hot, so let's go see if we can start a fire.
Also, have to point out the sauna also has a view. Pretty amazing. You like that, don't you?
Yeah, you should give me one.
Is that propane?
Yeah, it's just a torch. It's a pretty awesome torch, actually.
Is it on fire already?
Oh yeah.
There's an otter.
Where?
He just went under.
Oh, you missed it?
I missed it.
You better go get your big lens.
Tyler has made us this incredible feast of salmon tacos. Since we didn't really catch anything to keep earlier today. We've got our Barnacle Foods hot sauce, which, pro tip, this is the best with any kind of seafood fish taco kind of meal. And we even have our wine from the last time we were in Homer. Yeah. Cheers. With my like mango sticking out. Mm. I love that hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
We're gonna go Tidepooling because low tide is in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna try the other beach today, see if we can see an octopus.
Mind you, this is the same place that Tyler was just kayaking at.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. The side is a little squishy and we think we're gonna get stuck in the mud. I think we're gonna get stuck in the mud, so we're gonna go to the other side.
Good thing there's two beaches.
Yeah.
Because we're
between beaches. Find some cool stuff, Deborah.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Look what I found. A dead sand dollar. We can keep it.
Is he stuck?
Yeah?
Oh, I see it.
Sea urchin. That's pretty cool. It's yellow.
Oh, another urchin.
Oh, that one's cute.
We found this giant dead starfish, but there's a lot of bugs and stuff eating it, so we're not gonna bring it back. It should be pretty hot now. I've been keeping the fire going for like 2 hours, so we're pretty excited. Sauna time. You can turn on the light.
Dink. Oh my gosh.
What?
Huge spider.
Where?
On the door frame. Wait, can I just run in quick?
What's
Can
that?
you like get out of the way?
Yeah.
I'm scared now. How do I open this?
You push.
Oh, it's so warm. It is steamy.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And the view. So pretty.
This is the life. I even seen an otter.
Tyler's like in his complete happy place right now.
I love saunas. I've seen an otter out there, the sun setting, and I have an Alaskan beer.
Life is good.
Uh-huh. That was a really nice sauna.
This morning, after making some coffee, we realized that it's actually a lower tide right now than it was yesterday morning. So we're gonna go out again and keep our fingers crossed for an octopus again because it's our last morning. And we'll see what we find. I found a crab. You can see him in the little hole. He's like tucked in there.
Good find.
I'll put him back.
I'd say let him go.
Found a sand dollar family. They're so cute.
Alright, so before we have to take our water taxi back to Homer, I am just gonna walk on the other beach. Deborah just stayed back at the cabin, just cleaning up before we go. But I wanted to take one more walk and see what we can find. Alright, so it is crazy out here this morning. The tide is so low compared to what it was yesterday. If you can see behind me, that is where I was kayaking yesterday. And it is totally dry right now. There is no water, just some mud and some weeds. So it's pretty crazy how it changes each day.
Goodbye, cabin.
Goodbye, cabin.
I'm actually so sad.
I know.
Seriously, this day has been one of the most incredible. I highly, highly recommend checking them out. If you're coming to Alaska, make this one of your stops. It has been amazing. And as if our stay could get any better, just as we were boarding our water taxi, we just happened to see the season's first whale. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Goodbye. I'm so sad to be leaving.
I know, that was a great stay.
And if you like this video, make sure to go subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment. And we'll see you on the next epic Alaskan adventure. Bye.